how to do some quick 5-minute tutorials for the new mom. Every time.
It's okay.
Every time. I forgot what I had said that was so cool.
Maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
So beach waves. Boop! There you have it. Fun beach waves. You ready to go? Wipe your tired eyes and let that inside boss lady come out. I'm gonna show you how. Quick steps. Texture spray. Texture spray your life.
The time on you a shame we'll never get to fight. No. But the fire of the sun, I swear I see in you. How can a man have eyes so bright? Nani, nani, na.
Okay, so I am curling everything backwards, and there's only one area that I curl forward. It's right here on both sides. I prep my hair with Melu Heat Shield to protect it from the heat, obviously. And then I also put texture spray in there, so it gives you that second day grittiness, even when you have really clean hair. So curl everything backwards except for the one piece. Trick is to not make little spiral curls, pulling them out, and then pull through the ends. You don't want to look like you're going to a quinceañera. If you get anything too curled, just pull on it. For beach waves if you use a big curling iron. Take a little oil in your hands, just a little. Oil is for smoothness, but also if you touch your hair after you've curled it without any product on it, it's going to promote frizz in the hair. And you don't want frizzy beach waves. You want tousled beach waves. Boop! There you have it. Fun beach waves. You ready to go?